Hi everyone, in this video we are going to learn about left outer join or also known as just left join. Now if you have learned about full outer join and inner join, understanding left outer join is going to be relatively very easy, and by just looking at the diagram you can figure out that when we use left outer join it gives you the results that exist in the table A. Along with that, it also gives you the data that exist in table A and in table B. So if you see, we have table A and we have table B, and we're getting the results that matches both in table A and table B and all the results of table A. Now to understand this, let us go to our PG admin and let's try to use a few new tables. Select star from, maybe we have a new table, inventory. Let us run it. So you see in the inventory, this inventory table has inventory ID, film ID, store ID, and last updated. It means these are the movies that we have in the inventory. And we can also see about the film table. Here this table has all the details about the table. Now if someone is asking, I need to know the tables that I need to know the films that are available, right? What we could do is we could write select star from film, or we could maybe just say film dot film underscore id, and we also need title. Okay, we're gonna say select film id and title from table film, and when we now need left outer join, remember you could simply write left join, you don't have to write left outer join always, on the table inventory. And now we need to define the key column. So we're going to write inventory dot film underscore id, which should be equal to film dot film underscore id. Now let us run it. We now have the data output of all the films that exists in the table film, and also the tables that is also the film that is available in the inventory. This means that you can go ahead and rent out these movies. Okay. Now let us go back to our slides again and look at the other situation. Here, if you look at the Venn diagram, here we have a situation where we only need the data that is exclusive to table A. Here we have table A, suppose as film, and table B as inventory. Now what really is happening here? When we get the results of only table A, it means that these films do not exist in table B, hence this is not available in the inventory, which means you cannot rent it out. Okay, that is what it means logically with respect to the table that we are using. And how we are going to do it? It's pretty simple. Listen, when we take the table A and we are combining it with table D, okay, table B, not all the rows of table A are going to have the data of table B. So what SQL is going to do? SQL is going to put the null values over there, and that is what we need to find. So let us go back to our PG admin, and there we are going to write, after we match the key column, we are going to say where inventory dot film id is null. Let us run it now. Now these 42 results that we get, these are the films that exist only in film table, and it does not exist in inventory, which means that you cannot rent these tables. Okay, that is what it means. So if you're in a situation where you only need to find the data that is only exclusive to a particular table when combined with the other one, you can use left outer join along with the where clause. Now it may not be very easy for you to understand when you watch this video for the very first time. So take your time, think about it on how this is actually running. Think about the situation that, hey, you need to find table film that exists both in table A and table B, and then exclusively only in table A, and eventually you'll get there. So you can go ahead and watch this video once again as many as time you want, but give yourself a break. If you cannot understand it in a day, maybe we come back again tomorrow and then try to understand it. And if you have understood left outer join, understanding right outer join and union is going to be super easy, and that is what we are going to cover in the other video.